Story 2. Two sons of emirs were in Egypt, the one acquiring science, the other accumulating wealth, till the former became the ulama, the scholar of the period, and the other the prince of Egypt, whereon the rich man looked with contempt upon the faqih and said, I have reached the sultanate, whilst thou hast remained in poverty as before. He replied, O brother, I am bound to be grateful to the Most High Creator for having obtained the inheritance of prophets, whilst thou hast attained the inheritance of Pharaoh and Haman, namely the kingdom of Egypt. I am that ant which is trodden underfoot, not that wasp, the pain of whose sting causes lament. How shall I give due thanks for the blessing that I do not possess the strength of injuring mankind? And one's means, in one way or another, can be increased or decreased, or vast to begin with, or scant to begin with, because of the opportunity that it grants to carry out deeds, to have a certain consciousness with it. So be grateful